Precision, innovation, and space optimization. Demolishing a building while preserving the integrity of its surrounding areas. It's a challenging task, but that's exactly what Ginlee specializes in. As specialists in controlled demolition, Ginlee ensures that such works are carried out in the most efficient manner with minimal disruptions to the public and the environment. This also minimizes downtime for buildings such as retail malls, in which demolition work can proceed in one section of the building while business goes on as usual in the rest of the premises.
Many commercial buildings carry out partial demolition so that they can refurnish, expand or upgrade the space to stay relevant and competitive. Other institutions' space such as hospital and airport simply cannot afford significant disruption to their service, and that's where Ginlee stepped in.
Founded in 1993 by Managing Director Mr. Tommy Lim, Ginlee Construction Private Limited specializes in controlled demolition for commercial, institutional and residential buildings. As a BizSafe star contractor, they also offer technical know-how and advice to clients on demolition works. In recognition of their excellence in undertaking challenging demolition projects, Ginlee is the proud recipient of the New Entrant Award in the World Demolition Summit 2017 held in London. With an emphasis on innovative methodology, Ginlee's team of specialists work with the latest technologies and machineries to meet the constantly evolving needs of their clients from around the region. Mr. Tommy Lim, who has been in the construction industry since 1981, grew Ginlee together with 3 partners and a team of pioneer staff. Armed with his experience and knowledge in engineering work, Mr. Lim recognized a demand in the market for the specialized work of controlled demolition business. By employing state-of-the-art technology such as the Brock hydraulic demolition machine, Ginlee is able to handle even the most challenging logistical requirements. Joining Mr. Tommy Lim at the helm is Workplace Safety and Health Officer Desmond, who shares the same passion for quality and precision.
In a world-class economic hub such as Singapore, businesses and services cannot afford any downtime. Controlled demolition allows the partial demolition to be done in isolated sections in order not to disrupt the other operating areas within the same premises. Our expertise is also necessary when demolition is next to hospitals, hotels and embassies and other important buildings where there should not be any excessive noise and vibration. Our arsenal of machineries are from Europe and Sweden with very precise and customized features for our purposes. They are designed to be compact while packing a whole lot of punch, which reduces the need for bulky equipment and gives our team the flexibility to maneuver in tight spaces. We establish good relations with our suppliers, which ensures that our equipment is always updated and relevant. Our in-house maintenance team then makes sure that these are operating optimally for each and every project for maximum productivity. One of the more memorable experiences was when we worked on the demolition work in Victoria Theatre and Concert in 2013. Because of the rich history of the building, we had to undergo numerous stages of planning and exercise extreme caution in our work processes.
Upon reaching on the site, we have a daily toolbox meeting with our safety personnel and our workers. And after the toolbox, I assign them the daily activities to my supervisors and their team. And I also explain them the potential hazard and risks involved in their daily activities. We have a discussion with our supervisors and I explain them the sequence and work procedure and get feedback from them. At the first day I started work with Ginlee, my bosses helped me to upgrade my knowledge and skills to attend the different courses. Last year I just graduated a diploma in civil engineering that helped me to get additional knowledge, and now I am able to handle the different situations on daily work activities.
As the construction landscape in Singapore continues to evolve, Ginlee is already looking ahead of the curve and expanding its focus to include underground tunneling demolition projects. The company is also invested in addressing the health and environmental issues that arise from demolition work and are venturing into the development and provision of dust suppression solutions.
For controlled demolition works, apart from cutting, Crushing and hacking generate significant amount of dust and debris that can be hazardous to human health. In enclosed or open areas, we employ the use of mist machines. The water droplet in the mist absorb dust particles and also dispel heat, making it safer and more comfortable for the workers. These measures make effective use of resources, reduce on-site risks such as slip and falls, and are responsible towards the well-being of the public and the environment. We are also keeping a keen eye on new construction methods such as prefabricated modules and mass-engineered timber construction, as these will call for new demolition techniques, and we want to be ready when that happens.
While Ginlee's philosophy of tireless innovation keeps the company at the forefront of the industry, founder Mr. Lim believes that it is their unwavering approach to quality and service that continues to drive them forward.
Even as a specialist in demolition, there are so many new opportunities for growth, and we are always looking forward to the next challenge. We continue to push forward with the big picture in mind. This is not just about how we can grow as a company, but also how we can move with the times.